Hi, good evening. Today I'm going to discuss about global strategy and sustainability, a case study of Amazon.com. My SRN number is BP0243650. I'm going to start with introduction. The given presentation is based on analyzing the global strategy and sustainability approach carried by the e-commerce organization named Amazon.com. Amazon.com was launched as a public limited company in the digitalized platform of business in the year 1994. In the background, Amazon.com is one of the highly valued brands all across the globe. The same is headquartered in Seattle, Washington, America. Amazon.com was debuted as an e-commerce business site for the sale of books. Innovation and creativity in its technological aspect is the core business strategy of Amazon.com. In VRIO analysis of Amazon, high brand equity, high market capitalization, strategic management of distribution hubs and warehouses provides the company with a comparative advantage. Amazon has also introduced robotic technology in its warehouses for packaging, loading, and shipment of goods. The high market capital of Amazon supports its robust network and infrastructure. In the next point, CSR and sustainability analysis, economic responsibilities. As a leading e-commerce brand, Amazon provides employment opportunities to many local people. As mentioned by Leo 2020, the on-job training provided to the employees can make it easier for them to apply to higher positions and authorities. In the next point, CSR and sustainability analysis, legal responsibilities, gender equality and rights of minorities makes the core Amazon CSR initiative. In 2019, the company launched her project to provide employment to more than 8,000 women in its supply chain. Moreover, infrastructure limitation and remote sites and high costs involved act as challenges in the implementation of renewable sources of energy. The use of electric rickshaw for delivery and environment-friendly option, it does not provide the required mileage. The work from home option could not be extended to few jobs, as it involved manual work. In SOT analysis of Amazon, strength, strong brand and images of Amazon provide the company with a comparative advantage. The company provides diverse range product and service at affordable prices. In opportunities, the rising dependence on e-commerce provides ample growth opportunities to the organization. The robust technological framework provides the company more flexibility and a wider access. In threats, some of the threats faced by the organizations are changes in government policies and regulations, increase in the rate of cybercrime, rickshaw of imitation, increasing competition from other similar brands, etc. In the recommendation for global development, increasing the minimum wages, usage of automation in warehouses, effective waste management, charitable activities and campaigns. Now I'm going to conclude. In conclusion, e-commerce and online shopping is seen as the future. The strategic planning, positioning of an organization also plays an important role. In the respect, robust infrastructure can also provide the organization with a comparative advantage. This is the global strategy and sustainability case study. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce about Amazon.com. Thank you very much.